Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix horizontal lines on your TCL TV screen.
Fix 1. Check the cable connection. Step 1. Turn off your TCL TV and unplug it from the power source. Step 2. Check all HDMI, AV, and power cables for loose or damaged connections. Step 3. Reconnect them securely and turn your TV back on. Fix 2. Adjust picture settings. Step 1. Press the home button on your TCL remote. Step 2. Go to Settings, Picture, Advanced Settings. Step 3. Adjust sharpness, contrast, and brightness to see if horizontal lines disappear. Fix 3. Power cycle the TV. Step 1. Turn off your TV and unplug it from the wall. Step 2. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 3. Press and hold the TV power button for 10 seconds to drain residual power. Step 4. Plug it back in and turn the TV on. Fix 4. Factory reset. Last resort. Step 1. Go to Settings, System, Advanced System Settings, Factory Reset. Step 2. Confirm the reset and wait for the TV to restart. Step 3. Reconfigure your TV settings.